Why settle for ordinary when you can have the crown jewel? Now this is something special. Natural gas, a true 3-car garage, and a pool bathroom, perfectly placed between downtown Naples and Marco Island. Talk about a rare find. Come inside. Let's take a look. This home offers nearly 3,000 square feet of living space in a resort lifestyle community with low association fees. It comes with luxury upgrades galore, plus custom touches throughout. Enjoy a large chef-inspired kitchen with gas cooking. The outdoor living space is spectacular, with a custom outdoor kitchen and loungers in the custom pool. The highly coveted southwestern exposure offers long lake views through a picture screen. A half bath by the pool keeps wet feet outside. Homes rarely come available on the market in Naples with a true 3-car garage and pool bathroom at this price range. Don't let this gem slip away.